Once you've opened the Adobe Scan app, you'll want to click the little camera on the bottom right to start your scan. Once you open that, you can just go through and scan each of your individual pages for your exam. Once you've finished scanning those pages, you press the little preview on the bottom right and you can see your pages like this. You can go through, you can crop them. If the size is wrong, you can change the edges, anything you need to do. If you've realized that you've forgotten a page, you can click on the bottom left, add page, and you can take another photo and you can add it in wherever. You can change the order if you need to. And once you've finished, you can name your document to make it a bit easier for yourself and your teachers to navigate it. Say you call it maths exam. So you want to click Save PDF on the top right. And then once it comes up on the top, as you can see it, exam there, you can press share and then share a copy. And you can either airdrop it to yourself or email it to yourself. I've shown if you email it to yourself, you can see it has the PDF there. And you can just type in your email and you can email it to yourself and then upload it to the relevant Google Classroom.